In today's presentation, we will be discussing learning management systems. We will begin by discussing what these online platforms entail and why they are useful in an educational environment. We will conclude by taking a deeper look at 3 examples of an LMS, examining their features and what type of learning environment they would best support. Learning management systems are online administrative platforms that have a variety of features that can assist in the efficiency and organization of a learning environment, especially when the environment includes some form of virtual learning. Educators are able to more personalize content through created courses that push knowledge out to students instantaneously. One is better able to document and track student learning when using an LMS. Students typically have the ability to view course content, turn in assignments, and view progress within this style platform. Educators have a better ability to virtually manage student learning through the systems in place within an LMS. The possibilities and personalization features are of abundance and can support the overall success of any learning environment. So the question then is, why use a learning management system? There are many reasons why one should choose to take advantage of using an LMS within their learning environment. When using this style of a system, one is better able to manage all working components that come within a classroom through one single platform. It allows individuals to have efficient and complete control of the learning environment by virtually being able to manage course content, student groupings, communication, and progress tracking. Because an LMS is able to house all knowledge, content, and resources, educators are better able to remain organized for the most productive and timely learning for students, making information easily and immediately accessible for all. One of the unique features of these systems is the ability to personalize the platform to best meet the needs of each individual learning environment. All features can be tailored and altered to better fit each learning organization. Another benefit to using an LMS is the ease and ability to include multimedia into student learning. Educators are able to easily include videos, audio, and digital files into student learning. The final but certainly not last benefit of a learning management system is the ability to better facilitate communication and collaboration among teachers to students and students to students due to the fact that this can be done virtually through the platform. The 3 learning management systems we will be reviewing for this presentation are Canvas, Altitude Learning, and Google Classroom. Canvas Learning Management System is an all-inclusive platform that provides educators a variety of resources and tools for a complete online virtual learning environment. This LMS allows instructors to easily organize and upload all course content prior to instruction beginning. Students are able to easily navigate through the platform, locating an abundance of informational resources such as readings, lectures, videos, and presentations. Another useful feature within this LMS is discussion boards and a messaging system promoting collaboration and communication among teachers and students as well as between students. Instructors are able to embed assessments such as quizzes and exams directly within the platform, which then attaches to a corresponding gradebook, easily accessible for all students to keep track of their progress and grade. Canvas includes all the needed components one would need to successfully implement an all-virtual online learning environment. The second LMS is Altitude Learning. Altitude Learning is a newer learning management system that promotes the shift in education and becoming more learner-centered. Within this platform, students have more ownership in managing their own learning and making personalized choices. For instructors, this management system allows for easy collaboration among other educators by being able to share assignments and resources created within the platform. Fellow colleagues are able to copy a prior assignment created by another instructor and use it for their own classroom. Assignments are easily able to be personalized for each individual task by being able to include items such as step-by-step instructions, quizzes, Google Doc attachments, links and files, and student captured evidence. Another useful feature is instructors are able to make real-time modifications and changes to assignments even after being assigned to students. This platform also allows instructors to create specific content to smaller, more personalized groupings within the classroom if needed. Similar to Canvas, this LMS has progress reporting embedded within, with the added feature of being able to attach specific standards to each individual assignment, as well as labeling specific tasks as a formative or summative assessment. Lastly, this LMS also has a communication feature that allows instructors to not only stream out messages and important information to students, but to parents as well if needed. This learning management system would work well in a blended or flipped classroom learning environment, and if done properly, could even be used in an all-online environment. The final LMS is the Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a cost-effective learning management system option that is easily accessible and applicable for educators. Its simple interface allows for content to be shared easily with students, as well as consistent communication among teachers and students, putting the focus on collaboration. Integration of apps and websites remains straightforward with the added features of embedded Google Docs, slides, and forms. Assignments remain easily organized for students with the calendar feature, and for instructors, all content and assignments are organized for you in Google Drive. This simplistic learning management system would be most ideal in a blended or flipped classroom learning environment, as it lacks some needed features to be solely used for all online learning. In conclusion, the three learning management systems that were reviewed are Canvas, Altitude Learning, and Google Classroom. All three learning management systems have things in common, as well as unique features that allow them to be more appropriate for a specific learning environment, whether that be blended, a flipped classroom, or an all online virtual learning.